coordination and cooperation between people, between companies, and between countries. This is the centerpiece of effective response to the challenges that we confront. China is a global power. It's a complex and rapidly growing and changing society. In order to address our shared challenges, the world needs to understand China, and China needs to understand the world. And at the 20th anniversary of the Bao Forum, I think it's certainly true that this venue has played a very important role in fostering the types of exchanges that can be extremely valuable. Exchanges of ideas, but even more so exchanges of relationships. I think that multilateralism is both a principle that has proven to be extremely robust and productive in the past. And as I indicated in saying that my view about the single biggest challenge facing the earth is international cooperation, by definition, multilateralism is the response. And so, yes, absolutely, I think multilateralism is very, very important as we move forward. As a place for the interchange of ideas, for the fostering of relationships, and of the bridging of gaps of understanding. I think these are the three things that it does, and that forums like it can do very well.